We are here with Darren and Gareth.
Hi, everybody.
And Gareth will introduce our new team player. So, to you.
Yeah, so I know a few of you have been asking for updates, particularly on the app development and kind of the technology side of things and what's been going on. And I know I haven't been on the AMA for a couple of weeks. Still, lots has been happening behind the scenes. And I've been working with Tanya and with the team, really getting the technology side of things going strongly, building the team we've been concentrating on and hiring key people. And on this AMA, I wanted to introduce you to our new CTO, Gareth, who we spent a lot of time looking for the right person, and we're very happy to have him on board. Got some incredible experience, and just we think he's going to be a massive benefit to the project. So I'm going to see if Gareth's here. I can see him online. Let's just see if we can get his mic working. Gareth, see if...
Hi there.
Hey,
yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, so yeah, Gareth, I know you're kind of just joined and you're kind of getting up to speed on the project and everything that's happening, but it would be nice just, I think, for the community just to hear a little bit, maybe just a couple of minutes background, your experience and kind of what you're bringing to the project.
Yeah, certainly. So I've been working in IT in large companies and small companies for the last for about 20 years now. I've set up my own businesses, startups that are running still successfully, and also spent time with large financial organizations building out internal companies at hyperscale. In financial and highly regulated industries, which I think is going to be very important in this environment that we're in today. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell. If you want to know anything more, just let me know.
Yeah, I know we've had many conversations with Gareth now as we were seeing if it's going to be the right fit working together. And a few of the things which I thought were really important were he just brings lots of experience and knowledge to the table, which we just didn't have, but we were fully aware we needed. For example, even on the security side of things, with his background, several of the companies he's worked with, that's been a really important part of the project. And we've had long discussions on that, because as we develop the app and we develop the exchange, obviously security and crypto is highly important. And also just a lot of the key things that we were looking for in a CTO, just the many conversations we have with Gareth, we thought, okay, this is it. This is going to be a good fit. So very excited to have him on board. As I said, Gareth's only just kind of getting up to speed with the project, so can't really go into much detail on that yet. But just wanted to introduce him to you very quickly, because I know a few people were saying, what's happening? How's the tech side of things going? And we're looking to build the technology team a lot further. So we've got a very strong kind of internal team and external team to drive this forwards.
Maybe, Gareth, you can expand a bit more in detail about your experience in different fields like security, for example, and emphasize on the importance of security in crypto world.
Yeah, certainly. I guess one of the best examples is working for one of the largest banks on the planet, where they wanted to create a new environment for all their developers to build applications and really getting on board with cloud computing. And we basically outgrew what the projected plans were by 12 times what they expected to do by the second year. At the same time, all having to meet very tight financial regulations that just come from all governments around the world, and just internal ones as well. It's people's money. There's trillions of dollars going through this particular bank, so security is paramount at every single step of the way. So we would build applications to make sure that all of that was considered, and everything that was done on the platform that we built was done in a secure, but also as quick as possible as well. So we're very aware of the way software is developed nowadays, and everything works in a very quick, agile manner. So it's taken all of those things, and we ended up building the largest implementation from a bank's perspective, cloud implementation in the entire world in a matter of a few years. So we expect to get things, we had things running within 6 months. I'm not saying that we're going to take years to do this, but it was just a hyperscale is the best word to describe what we did there.
Yeah, I think from our conversation, a lot of the things that I thought were particularly useful and relevant were how you consider about scaling a project right from the word go. Everything's being designed and all the thought process is being put in place to be able to make it a successful app launch, but also to be able to scale it quickly and worldwide. And a lot of projects, I think, talking with you, Gareth, a lot of projects don't make the mistake of not planning far enough ahead right at the start. So they hit problems further down the line.
Yeah, that's right. We find ourselves, as one way, other businesses that we set up, we would often find that those things haven't been considered. More often than not, it's very rarely that they're considered from day one, and we would be brought in to fix the problems that weren't done from day one. So being here at early stages, the idea is that we don't have those problems.
Gareth, please smile to a camera because we are recording on Zoom as well. You turned away your face a bit.
Yeah, and the Gareth also is working with you're working with you are helping out another crypto company as well, or crypto kind of based project. And
are you allowed to mention it or not really?
In broad terms, or if not, that's fine.
Yeah, I mean, I think we do. I mean, we advertise them on our company's website. So, but it's a crypto company, and they're using blockchain technology to manage equity of startups. And what we do for them is manage their build and manage and their whole platform. So all the applications that run there for doing all those crypto things, really.
Yeah,
sounds good.
And we're also, as I said, we're getting more and more people involved in the technical team, which we really want to have a nice strong base there for building out the project. And we're hiring people not just from the crypto field, but also with the key areas of speciality that we're going to need, because the project has lots of components, not just the crypto side. So we need crypto experts, we need the blockchain experts, we need all of that side of things, but we also need a lot of things which I think a lot of projects overlook, which kind of ties them up and causes problems further down the line. So we're trying to get everything in place to really have a strong, solid foundation to grow this quickly and to massive scale. So
yeah. Any programmers, please apply and direct message me. We need still an in-house programmer to work from London office. I did have few CVs from different countries, from Japan, from Canada, but we really need for something like this to have person working in the office.
Yeah,
full time. So if you know anyone, or you have, or if you are that specialist, then please contact me. And we will be introducing you to more team members, maybe next week or week after. So stay tuned and we'll catch up soon.
Yeah, I would say, just to wrap up, I know some of you have been in the project right from the start, and I really appreciate your support, and your patience, I hope, will pay off many, many times. So it does take time, projects like this. I know people want to see immediate results, but if you're doing a serious project and you're doing it properly, it takes time. But then, as I said, in investing, patience is one of the most important virtues. So thank you for your support, and we're really working hard to make this a huge success.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah, goodbye. Thanks, Gareth.
Thank you.